Hello friends, so today's daily clinical tip video is about Crotellus horridus, the delusions of Crotellus horridus and the understanding of Crotellus horridus, as well as why there is hemorrhagic tendency in Crotellus horridus. So the core rubric which I found very important in Crotellus horridus is delusion, brain intoxicated, brain is blood by degraded. Okay, so I would like to just simplify this delusion. Delusion, brain is intoxicated by degraded blood. So this is what is the delusion of Crotellus horridus, and I think this is the core delusion of Crotellus horridus. What is the meaning of this delusion and how you can use this delusion is very important. So try to understand this delusion. So here, degraded blood. So what is the meaning of degraded blood? The degraded blood means when you have unfriendly or hostile relationship, or you have enmity with some people, so that particular type of relationship is called as degraded blood. Okay, so when you had a very bad argument with someone in the past, so that is degraded blood. So this is the meaning of this thing. Then intoxicated. Brain means your central mechanism or your central controlling power. Okay, intoxicated means, what is intoxicated? Intoxicated means when your mind and body is totally affected by alcohol or drugs or XYZ thing, and this particular thing takes control of your whole mind and body. So this is intoxicated feeling. So Crotellus horridus has a feeling that those past things in relationship which happened, that enmity which happened in the life of Crotellus horridus, has disturbed the thinking process or the perception of Crotellus horridus. So those incidences or that particular incidence of bad argument or unfriendly behavior with someone, so that has disturbed the perception of Crotellus horridus, and from that point onwards he starts feeling that everybody is his enemy. Delusion surrounded by enemies. Okay, so this experience you can correlate with the past illness also. If Crotellus horridus was ill in the past, so that bad experience or that bitter experience will be disturbing his perception when he falls again with the same illness. Okay, so that past experience of intoxication, that will totally disturb the perception of Crotellus horridus. So he cannot think positively. If at all he had suffered in the last illness, and now again that suffering fixed idea will be there in the mind of Crotellus horridus. And if we talk of relationship, so that bitterness which he was feeling that time, that bitterness had disturbed the whole perception of Crotellus horridus, and his whole thinking process is intoxicated with that particular bitterness. And so he feels that he is surrounded by enemies. And there is another rubric, delusion, animals surrounded by hideous. Okay, so this is the feeling of Crotellus. Okay, so what do you mean by animals? Animal means those type of personalities who are very ugly, who are very unpleasant, who are very cruel. So Crotellus feels that he is surrounded by those type of people who are not very good, those who are very cruel type. So he is surrounded by those type of people. Then delusion pursued by enemies. So he feels that constantly, he feels that some people they are pursuing him. So those people they are the enemies and they will try to harm him. Delusion persecuted. So the past experience of negativity will be carried forward by Crotellus horridus. So those people who with whom he had that bitter experience, so he feels that they are still pursuing him and they are constantly in pursuit of him and they will try to persecute him. They'll try to completely finish him and they are trying to remove him from a particular place, position or a group. Delusion outcast Shiva and okay. So when this enemy which is in the perception of Crotellus horridus, so when these enemies when they are so much overpowering Crotellus horridus, imagine constantly if you have a feeling that someone is behind you or somebody is trying to harm you or you feel that you are surrounded by all bad people, so that much influence your mind is having. So imagine what could happen at the physical level. So your physical level or your physical body, your immune system either will become weak or either will try to fight and will try to become stronger. But here in case of Crotellus horridus, the immune system becomes weak because Crotellus is a timid personality and there is no fighting tendency in Crotellus horridus. These are the rubrics which narrate the timidity of Crotellus horridus or the escaping nature of Crotellus horridus. Anxiety driving from place to place. Okay. Anxiety, pale face with cold perspiration. So imagine. So when a person is anxious with cold perspiration and everything, anxiety with faintness, anxiety with fear, okay, coma with septicemia, coma with liver complaints. So what do you mean by coma with septicemia? So this rubric you can take when a person is actually in a state of coma and you can also take when a person is not in a state of coma. How you can take in the second situation? In the second situation, septicemia means there are so many problems which is surrounding a particular person. The attendants will tell you, sir, he is surrounded by so many bad people. So they are trying to cheat him, they are trying to take advantage of him, and so many things are there. So many people are there. So now what is he doing? Sir, he is not reacting at all. Why, sir? What can I do in that? So this lack of reactivity signifies coma. Okay, in literal sense. So this person, when he is not reacting to any of the things, he is alive or he is in sense, but he is not reacting. So this is equivalent to a state of coma when you are hearing, when you are seeing, but you are not reacting. So this is coma with septicemia. Okay. Then escape attempts to jump up suddenly from bed. So he is an escapist. So Crotellus is an escapist. Indifference, quiet. So he is not reacting to all those negative situations. So he is indifferent and he is just quiet. So all these rubrics, they show that Crotellus is not a fighter, he is an escapist. So The fighting personalities, they tend to strengthen the immune system, okay, whereas the timid personalities, they tend to reduce the immune system following a perception that they cannot fight. So that is why in the physical body, septicemia tendency is there in Crotellus horridus, because he is allowing each and everybody to attack him, because he feels that he cannot fight. His impulse is to escape. So thereby, that is why there is a tendency of septicemia. And there is that letting go attitude. So this letting go attitude is also another mechanism of escape. That is why there are profound hemorrhages in Crotellus horridus. So this is the syphilitic defense of Crotellus horridus at physical level. So friends, this is about Crotellus horridus. Very short remedy, but you can use it like anything. Those patients in the times of today, those who want to run away from hospital, they are very panicky, they just want to escape, and they feel that everywhere some or the other thing is infected, and it can just attack him, and he is taking so much precautions and all. So that is Crotellus horridus. So you can prescribe very beautifully, and always you will find a hemorrhagic tendency, either nose bleeding or ecchymosis or bleeding from per rectum. So that history you will definitely get in Crotellus horridus patient. So thank you friends. Do prescribe and share your experiences. I'll be taking another remedy, of course, another snake remedy. So thank you. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.